3. One.
You see the light here? It's 8 o'clock and it's still like it's morning. So basically it's like, so as you can see, Easter holidays are going on, and right now it's 8 p.m. in the morning, 8 p.m. at night, but actually it's still light. Look. And normally at winter, the whole sky becomes dark. Dark everywhere. But now it's like coming to summer and basically here's the timing. Basically it's 7:48 p.m. right now. And in the Indian it's 11:17 p.m. Today I'll make a very easy dessert with no oven and no baking. Put in 100 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix. I can't do it, so my mom is helping me. Keep on mixing. Add some sugar. Now see how thick it is. It's very thick enough to make the sweet. Look at the beautiful of thickness. So beautiful. Make sure it cools down before putting it into the pan. Grit some butter and some cake tin. And spread some coconut. Now put it in the cake tin. Let's make some caramel. Go. Now add some cauliflower. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 liter of water. So guys, 200 ml of water. Add some sugar because now it's time to make some caramel. After adding some water, please mix. After the changing of the color, we're going to add the watery cornstarch. The caramel is ready. Now add the cornstarch. Got it. Now you will have to spread this above this. Now put this in the fridge for 3 hours. Go. Very yummy. You should try it. Look. Now we are eating chips and watching a movie. And basically, we're just enjoying. So now we're just eating chips and enjoying a movie. Taking a break after so long.
Bye.
Bye.